entire market infrastructure of Europe to a new payment standard is no small task, especially where there are consequences to not meeting the targets on time. However, the advantages are the creation of new opportunities. Marc Bayle, Director General for Market Infrastructure and Payments at the European Central Bank, explains how the Eurosystem and the real-time transfer system Target 2 are being brought up to date and on schedule. So what is Eurosystem's roadmap and the key features in the modernisation of Target 2?
So the modernization of Target 2 is really coming into a picture of modernizing the way we are providing central bank liquidity management to the banks. And it's part of different projects which are coming together, at the heart of which the new generation of Target 2 will be delivered. So we are going to modernize also the way we bring collateral. So the ECMS project will be coming in, bringing this capacity to have one way of taking collateral to generate intraday liquidity, in particular in Target 2. And we have also recently delivered this instant payment context, TIPS, which is really bringing also the capacity to bring new technology to the citizens of Europe. And this come together with this new generation, with a very strong new environment, key features for the future of the central bank, bringing this capacity to have liquidity very efficiently in the money market, and therefore being able to really bring new features.
And what do you see as being new opportunities in the market, such as improved customer service or cash management?
Yeah, so there will be a lot of interesting new features in the new target services. The first of which is really concentrating on delivering a stronger capacity for the bank to deliver central bank liquidity management functionality at central bank money level, really allowing them to manage very efficiently their central bank money. In the best could be allocating the needs they have for the different purpose, buying securities in T2S, paying instantly in TIPS, or paying a wholesale monetary policy transaction directly in Target 2, and having this central liquidity management open on a wider context, wider opening hours, capacities to open much beyond today. And that will really deliver value to the banks, being efficient also across the different legal entities that they have, their liquidity among them. So very efficient liquidity management using a standard technology which is used worldwide, ISO 20022 in particular, messaging context, which is being developed all over the world and all over the different transactions processing in the banking area.
Mm-hmm. And what do you see as being the key milestones for the banking industry, and what are the consequences of failing to reach these?
Yeah, so it's a challenging project because all the banks will have to move in one on a weekend, a big bang approach to the migration. And therefore, we have to have a very structured plan, as we are using usually with all our projects, with different milestones in 2019, in 2020, in 2021, measuring the progress in the banks to adapt their system to this new technological environment, and making sure that they have embarked in appropriately in defining their requirements, in defining the way they will connect. There will be a stronger connectivity capacity, and also in being able to adapt their system appropriately. So there will be a monitoring process accompanying them, supporting them in developing, so we can minimize the risk of this big bang migration at the end and delivering stronger services to our economy.